How to make updates to your application. When a club is reviewing your application, they may reach out to you to clarify things or get more information so they can fully understand your situation. If this is the case, you will receive an email notifying you that your application needs attention. Please read this email carefully for the updates requested. To make updates, please log in and click Continue to go to your application. Next, click on the section that you would like to update. Click on the three dots in the right-hand corner and select Edit. You can now navigate through your application by clicking Previous or Next at the bottom of the page until you've reached the section that you would like to update. Once you've made your updates, click Next until you've reached the end of the section. If you see a circle that is half filled with green, that means this section still needs to be marked as complete. When all sections have been marked as complete, you will see a green circle with a check mark. When you are ready to resubmit, please click the green Submit button. You will see this pop up where you will have the option to review your application one more time before resubmitting, or you can click Submit. If you choose to review and click Submit your application when you are ready. If you have any issues or questions, please contact us at lydawards@soroptimist.org for support.